Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. My name is Gina Pike. I'm so happy that you're here today. We are going to be doing a giveaway. This was a fast turnaround one. The other day on the 3rd, I posted a video saying that I was going to be giving away this gorgeous yarn set for Romi Hill's upcoming annual mystery spring shawl knit along. That's going to be starting April the 9th. So it's going to be starting in 2 days because today is the 7th. I was able to score one of these yarn sets, which has 2 colors of yarn. This is the Rumor yarn base, and it's 70% merino wool with 30% silk. Amazingly soft. And the colors are just beautiful spring colors. She included the shawl pin. That's of her own design, very exclusive limited shawl pin. And I'm also going to buy the pattern for the winner. And it comes wrapped up in this cloth, and I'm going to send all this to the winner. So I think it's about time to go ahead and pick a winner so I can get this in the mail and get this to the person so that they can start the mystery knit along as close to the 9th as possible. It'll probably be a day late or 2 depending on where you're located, but I am going to get this out the door as quickly as I possibly can. So we're going to use the YouTube comment picker. And I had you guys put a comment down below the video and use the word Romi in your comment so that I could filter your comments based on that. And if you're ready, I'm ready. So let's get started here. Let me change the view here. Okay, so we got this turned around. Let's do this. Let's pick a winner here. We got the YouTube random comment picker. I have the URL of the video copied in there. Let me double check that. I'm filtering duplicate users, filtering comments based on specific text, grabbing the YouTube comments. Should be 113. All right. Before I press the start button, thank you guys so much for participating in this giveaway. I wish you all the best of luck. I'm excited that you guys are interested in the Romi Hill Mystery Knit Along. I've only been doing this for the last 5 years and just absolutely love it. I hope you'll want to knit this along with me. And let's pick a winner. Jennifer Tran. Jennifer! Congratulations, Jennifer. Let's see what she says. She says, I love all the Romi Hill yarn. All right. I'm so happy for you, Jennifer. Let me check on Jennifer's membership status here. See if we can see who all she's subscribed to. Looking for a big old green blob. I'm the big old green blob. All right, Jennifer. A lot of subscriptions here. There I am. Yay! All right, so Jennifer is subscribed to my channel. There it is. And thank you, Jennifer, for being a subscriber. Sorry if you had to look at my mess in the background there. I think my camera's a little off angle, and I've got my broom over there and some ant spray. So sorry about that. But Jennifer, let's get back to you. Congratulations. Thank you for subscribing and participating in this. I'm going to be contacting you about getting this yarn to you. If you haven't heard from me, go ahead and email me at knitbymoonbeams@gmail.com. I need your shipping address, and I also need like a Ravelry ID or an email where you would like the pattern to be sent to you. So happy for you. Congratulations. Give me 1 second. Turn this around. All right, you guys, one thing I wanted to say is that I do have another giveaway coming up very, very soon, like tomorrow. So please keep your eyes open. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and you guys are the best. And that's why I want to have these giveaways to celebrate you and just show you how much I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching this. Hope you have a lovely day. I will see you guys next time.